So we didn't expect to be here on March 1st, but we made it to Grand Isle, Louisiana. We're staying at Bridgeside Marina. We're keeping our RV here for all of March and April. We ended up getting a notice from the parish that we weren't allowed to have our RV in our driveway anymore. So it was either go bring it someplace or put up a 6-foot fence in our driveway. So that's why we're here. And that's okay. I mean, it is what it is, but you know.
Is that funny?
Tucker's ready to spend some time at the beach because it is so nice here at Bridgeside. They have like a personal beach now you can just walk right to from the RV. So it's actually in our benefit. I think we're gonna have a great time here for the next couple months.
Yeah, it's pretty epic. It's pretty epic. Lots of beach. No one's here. It's like deserted.
Yeah, it's really pretty. We can't wait to show you what the campground looks like here and what Grand Isle looks like now. And it's gonna be a really fun couple months. This view is pretty awesome for a last-minute RV spot for the entire month. Literally, it's like your own private beach. They just created this after Hurricane Zeta. This used to just be rocks. You couldn't even access the water. There was no sand at all, so it's pretty amazing. Ben's out trying his luck fishing on this beautiful night. I just can't get over how pretty the sunset is. Tucker. Hey, bud. right, we're heading down to the beach from Bridgeside Marina for the day. We're gonna go spend some time on the water. Well, I don't know if we're getting into the water because I think it's too cold for that, but look at this view. Friends came in to visit for the day at Grand Isle. We spent grilling, now we're at the beach, getting some sun.
Yeah, it's a nice day.
Yeah, it's gorgeous out. But got the dogs out here running around. They're loving it.
Yeah, the dogs like the freedom.
Trying to get Tucker to take a nap in the stroller, but he's exhausted. Yeah, what a beautiful day. Enjoying it. Is that funny? This is what a dying Pomeranian looks like on the beach.